Crossbeats recently launched 3 new smartwatches, Ace, Track and Ignite. And we have for the unboxing the Crossbeats Ignite. This smartwatch is precisely crafted and loaded with a useful application, and it is built to be an extension of the new youth of India. Fast, fancy and fully loaded, this smartwatch comes with a ton of features that will keep people connected, cool and aware of their health. So let us unbox this watch. When you open the box, the first thing you'll get to see is the smartwatch itself. It looks amazing. Let us keep the watch aside and look for the other contents inside the box. Here we can see the charging case of this smartwatch. It is somewhat unique when compared to the other smartwatches. This case has got a locking facility in which you have to lock the smartwatch and keep it for charging. So this is a very unique kind of thing that we can see in this smartwatch. It is a kind of protective case that prevents the damages caused by falls. It is a unique kind of charging case that the Crossbeat has given. So this is the Ignite smartwatch from Crossbeat. Let me remove the sticker and show you the first look. The watch looks premium, the color of the case and the color of the belt used looks unique, and it gives a stylish look for the smartwatch. Of course, it is made for youth, they have to make it stylish. So high quality material is being used to make the case and the belt so that they can give a premium look for the watch. Let me switch on the watch and show you the features. It comes with step count, heart monitor, sleep monitor, messages, sports, stopwatch, music you can control with the smartwatch. Some of the other features are find phone, watch faces, brightness, system, language. Here you can change the watch faces according to your taste. So I prefer digital over analog. So let me wear it and show you how does it look on my hand. It has got a motion sense, that is whenever you rotate your wrist it will show you the time. The detailed review of this smartwatch I will bring in my next video. To conclude with, overall it looks amazing and stylish and has got a rich feature set. We still don't know its price, but once we get to know, we will update in the description. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. So if you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.